everybody, welcome back to another video with me. So today in this video we're going to be an unboxing video. Can you guess what it is? Why it's this thingy? Are you sure? Do you know what it is? If you're right, do you know it? Because it's a LABUBU unboxing video. Wait guys, first we need to do the ASMR. It's amazing. So guys, let's just start off with opening this thing, okay? But actually this season is bring big into energy and it's so cute. So this is the list that I wanted. So I needed like love, hope, luck, happiness, and loyalty with the secret one. I do not want the green one. I hate that one. So guys, let's just open it like this, okay? I'm so bad at it. Someone help me. Oh, okay. Yay! Let's start opening it, guys. I'm not an actually good unboxer, so I'm just going to be removing the tape. Okay, much better. This tape was super long, so I had to take it all out. Now let's just oh my god, guys, you do not want to see it. It's super cute. Let's just OMG. Let's just open that last bit and let's pop it open. Wait, guys, let me just tear this open. OMG! Look at that! I can really feel it inside it. And this is the front bit, guys. Look at how nice this looks. And it's so big. Like, this is the back side and that's the front. Guys, you ready to open it? You ready? Say yes. Yes. Okay, that's amazing. Oh, wait. How do I open this? Guys, I need some help. Guys, I need some help. Can you open this for me? Guys, my dad is helping me open it because I can't open it. Now guys, I don't know what it is, so let's just open it. OMG! Are you serious right now, bro? I got hope! Oh my gosh! Guys, look at that! He's so fluffy! And look at his nails! Oh my god! They're all blue! Oh my gosh, this is so soft, guys. Guys, if you want to get these and you live in Qatar, go to Emax and then you'll find this here. Thank you, everybody.